this and that toys.
December 2nd. Time to wake Adalia again so she can find the elves and do her advent calendar. Up through the darkness we go. Good morning, Adalia. Hey, girl. What's today?
December 2nd.
December 2nd. So what do we gotta do?
Find the elf and open the advent calendar.
Oh.
And today I have to wear all green to school.
Should we look in the dresser?
Yeah.
And see if there's anything in there? Well, let's see what's in this one.
This is green, kind of green.
Those are, yeah, that's green.
That's the most green I have.
Now, look at her collection. Look at all this stuff she has.
These are my fidgets.
And then a whole bag
Of squishies.
of squishies. Wow. Alright, how about we move on to the elf and advent?
Yep.
Alright, look at the shadows of the doggies. The shadows of the doggies. Hi, doggies.
Whee!
All our little funny pups, huh?
Hi, funny pups. No, down.
Archie, down.
Down. Archie, down. Conehead, down.
Shall we?
Hey.
Over here's all her Christmas stuffed animals.
Yeah.
And her books.
I have 2 Elf on the Shelf books because I have this one's really old. This one's really new. This one's really new. This one's old, really old. This one's kind of new.
Last year she came, huh?
Yeah.
And there's all her Christmas music she's been practicing
Yeah.
for her performance.
Yeah.
We don't have time to do it now, though.
Yeah.
All right, let's start the hunt. Oh, you gonna hunt or are you gonna advent? You're gonna advent first?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we're doing the advent calendar first today. And we're just gonna turn on some lights so we can see our advent calendar. So, there's our little nativity, our vintage nativity scene.
And then I opened this yesterday,
Okay,
and I got this.
can't see it. It's too dark.
I got this. It's
Your
a
popper peanut?
peanut popper. It's a fidget.
All right, so what number are we on?
2.
Number 2. Go ahead and see what the elves put in there for you.
And then I go,
Oh my goodness.
what is it? What is it? It's a bike chain.
A bike chain. Let's see your bike chain.
I would rather it be black, but it's yellow.
A yellow bike chain.
I like bike chains.
Ooh,
I already have a blue one.
that's cool though. It's one of those ones you just keep flipping and flipping and flipping.
Yep.
It's like a stress reliever. Very cool.
Yep.
Bike chain.
Now we have to find the elf.
All right, let's go. Where are you? Are they hiding in the shoes? They're not in our shoe rack.
Hopefully.
They're stinky. I don't want to go over there. Stinky.
I don't think they would be.
Are they hiding in the codes?
I don't think so.
No. Oh
No.
no.
Oh.
Good thing, because you would have just thrown them on the floor. Huh.
Yeah.
Here, I got it.
Okay.
I'll move it over here. All right. Did you find them? Where are they? What?
Christmas tree. They're up on the Christmas tree.
What'd they do? They brought ribbon.
Yeah.
What's this?
What?
What is all this?
Oh, I don't know.
That wasn't in our tree when we decorated it.
No. Archie, it's plastic.
Is it like Christmas magic?
It's like Christmas magic plastic.
Archie, don't eat the
stuff.
tree. You
Archie.
silly pup.
Conehead.
Puppies and trees, man. Woo. Here, let's light it up. That is...
Snowball
Oh,
with her little snow globe. This is Barry
baby.
with his little barrel.
Uh-huh.
And this is Checkers
There's a little checker.
with his little hat.
Covered in... Looks like a fake snow.
Yeah.
Huh.
For Christmas magic. And then
So cute. Okay, and then
here's Pretty.
that is pretty. she's really got a pile on her.
Yeah, with her earrings.
There's snowflakes.
Yeah, I gave her them.
Snowflakes. Where are the elves?
Go up, 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 up. But up there, the dad is Lucky.
Ooh, so you reminded Dad to be good for Christmas?
Yeah.
There's little Lucky.
And go a little bit.
There's Zulu.
Yep.
And Zulu is wearing Santa.
Yeah, Zulu has my Santa that I colored.
And they brought some ribbon. And we're after a tree up. Oh my goodness. Oh, and look at you, Christy.
Christy, Christy.
So pretty. You're so pretty. Wow. I brought some more magic to our tree. Actually looks pretty with the white in there, doesn't it? Whatever they did, there's sprinkles. So back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Distance, huh? The only one you can really see from a distance is Snowball. She stands out because she's so white and beautiful.
Okay, well, it's time for me to get ready for school. So, make sure you like this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. Bye, guys.
You know what we forgot to do?
What?
Change your calendar.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, how could we
how would you
forget?
get that?
Gotta change the calendar. We forgot. There it is.
23 days till Christmas.
Here we go. We are on December 2nd.
23 days till Christmas.
Exciting. Still seems so far away though. Look at all those numbers we have to clear.
See ya. Bye. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.